Skysails is a genre of engineering science that uses extensive utilization of wind energy to move a vessel in the seawater. The Skysails technology allows the towing kite to gain a height of anything between 100 meters to 300 meters. The sailing kite is made in such a way that it can be raised to its proper elevation and then brought back with the help of a telescopic mast that enables the kite to be raised properly and effectively. Based on the following figure related to sky sailing, answer the questions. Question 1. In the given figure, if sine theta is equal to cos 3 theta minus 30 degree, where theta and 3 theta minus 30 degree are acute angles, then find the value of theta. The given expression is sine theta is equal to cos 3 theta minus 30 degree. On the left hand side we have the ratio sine, and on the right hand side we have the ratio cos. So let's make it as same on both the sides, rewriting this sine theta as cos 90 minus theta, and right hand side is cos 3 theta minus 30 degree, which implies that 90 minus theta is 3 theta minus 30 degree, which is 4 theta is equal to 120 and theta is 30 degrees. Question 2. What should be the length of the rope of the kite sail in order to pull the ship at an angle of theta and be at a vertical height of 200 meters? That is, this height AB should be maintained as 200 meters. And from the first subdivision, we got the angle as 30 degrees. So we have to find out this length AC. In triangle ABC, since we have the angle and the opposite, we require hypotenuse. We go in for sine ratio. Sine 30 degree is equal to AB upon AC. AB is 200 and AC is what we have to figure out, and sine 30 is half. So AC is 400 meters. So this is the length of the rope. Subdivision 3. Segment DE is drawn from the midpoint of AC and AB respectively. Find the measure of DE. D is the midpoint of AC and E is the midpoint of AB. So this DE is what we have to find. The DE is parallel to the side BC. So the angle at D, that is angle ADE, is also 30 degree. And since E is the midpoint of AB and AB is totally 200 meters, AE is half of it, which is 100 meters. In triangle ADE, angle ADE is equal to angle ACB. The reason being corresponding angles, which is nothing but 30 degree. In triangle ADE, we have one angle and AE, which is the opposite side. DE is the adjacent for 30 degree. So we can go in for tan. Tan 30 degree is equal to AE upon DE. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 and AE is 100 divided by DE. DE is equal to 100 root 3. Substituting the value for root 3, it is 100 into 1.732, which is nothing but 173.2 meters.